Hey Surf Office fans! Want to know a secret about boosting motivation and team morale? It starts with understanding your goals. And in today's video, we're diving deep into the world of goal setting with 5 easy activities that you can try with your colleagues. So let's get started. The first activity I have for you is called backwards goal setting. Ever wish you had a roadmap to success so clear it practically unfolds itself? Well, this game can help you get there. Here's how it works. Instead of starting at step 1, imagine you could fast forward to the final moment when your goal is achieved. What does that look like? What does it feel like? Share your thoughts as a group and then work backwards to identify the milestones that would help you get there. Encourage participants to think critically about the small steps that add up to big workplace wins. It's a technique that takes lofty, long-term goals and transforms them into manageable, bite-sized chunks. Think of it like reverse engineering your achievements. Make sure to have a note taker document the steps as you go so you can refer back to them later when you're ready to implement your roadmap. Next up, we have speed goal sharing. To play, have participants partner up and set a timer for 1 minute. Then have one partner quickly share their goals with their counterpart. The aim is to have team members think quickly about what they're hoping to achieve in the coming months. When time is up, reset the timer and give the other partner a chance to share their own goals. This quick team building activity is a crash course in concise communication and prioritization of goals. Get ready to share your aspirations at lightning speed. Our third activity is an exercise called Standing Ovation, a game that puts each team member in the limelight for a chance to celebrate their achievements and success stories. Take turns having each participant share a recent accomplishment that they're proud of. This can be personal or professional. It's the rest of the group's job to celebrate their win. Applause, words of encouragement, high fives, and virtual confetti are encouraged. It's a quick and easy way to give colleagues a mood boost and stay connected on what everyone's been working on. Consider using it as a way to kick off your next team meeting. Next up, we have an activity called Failure Analysis Workshop. Ready to turn setbacks into stepping stones? This game is all about dissecting failure and finding the golden nuggets of wisdom that can be found within. Have participants gather in a room where you can easily host an open discussion. Then have everyone take turns sharing past hiccups, pitfalls, and fiascos, and the learnings that they took away from them. The goal is to help teammates understand that failure is filled with opportunities to improve and foster a positive attitude towards setbacks. It's also the perfect chance to share some insights that can help prevent the same mistakes from being made again. A win-win. And finally, we have our last activity, Goal Reflection Circle, a sharing huddle of progress, challenges, and collective wisdom. Allow participants to form a circle, splitting into 2 smaller groups if need be. Have each person share one of their recent exploits in the office. This is a chance to discuss setbacks, reflect on fresh wins, and receive constructive feedback from team members. It's a bit like a group therapy session for your workplace goals, providing a great opportunity to build trust and support amongst colleagues and promote a sense of community within your team. And that's a wrap for today's video on goal setting activities. Let us know in the comments which ones you and your team enjoyed the most. And before you head out, can I ask you a quick favor? If you liked today's video, would you consider hitting the subscribe button? Your support helps us continue to make more awesome videos just like this one. Until next time.